Yeah. for the love of Africa. Cheers. I'm going to share a message of assurance with you guys. Assurance that we are here not for anything short of success, but we're here to ensure progress streams through our lives and through the policy that we are a part of. The sun is out at the equator. The robins and the rainbows and canaries are all present here. Success and development starts from the conscience and the mind. When it's pure, it holds in all good wishes and encourages progress at all levels. For this reason, Amber exists. A message of assurance. My shadow clings on the moment, alive until us by. In the aids and purpose of fulfillment, our shadows unite. A world with a show of essence is born. Essence of pride. Essence with an abstract, with a feel of life. Merrily, merrily we paddle forth to a destination engulfed in cheers. A molecular contest only but makes a cabinet sharp and effective. Mission refreshing, mission unending, in a drift and a dance for survival. Amber signs we see. Amber is central. Warm is the path we're taking to a prompt and effective solution-based tech financial company. Like the amber fossilized free resin, it shows the ground of Kigali, Rwanda's home as a fortress, a ground where to nurture its pride, and so the beauty reflected in our branches. A tree peps up today in amber orange color, one saint making life easy on a smooth run service. An optimal service can only tell the story of an origin and a home bequeathed. Amber enables symbolic to a lighthouse. Three regular orange hexagon come to play today in an amber orange hole, a synergy influencing the decision to scale equilibrium. Equity, a right on the left. No left on the right. Amber signals rebirth of a sector pro-life in actual sense, organized to strengthen the polity as a state and the world to emulate. The mission remains indelible in a world with a brand label of hope. Trust me, you will love it, seeing the world progress in our time. In the right hands, with the right tech financial ops and services, with the right elements that we are. The candle of amber is coated in love and care, that we all may be united for one common reason of success, enveloping hard work, budgetaries, income to the penny, and penny to value. The earth welcomes you with an amber sign to go for nothing short of success, a golden imprint on nobility's true badge. When the world is still on the red, amber orange leads the moment in time. Let's go, let's get ready to move ahead. For today is green. Green in the sense that our time has come. A movement laying pillars for a consequential financial sector to flourish beyond today. In the rhythms creeping in the moments, as a vibing, the earth welcomes you. The world welcomes you home, home to Kigali, Rwanda, a land of 1,000 hills, that we all may see our art greater than the altitude that defines the creation of time. The earth welcomes you to make a life anew. The skies watch over us, the time may yield us right. The mountains stand tall on the plains, the playground hosts us well. Like a Kilimanjaro we know, I am moving on. The sunshine with the bubbles, today living for you. That our life will roll and build a united home for all. Our worlds unite, creating life, ensuring home to stay. Like a tree and our branches, I am moving on. The universe smiles at you, leaving for our children. Our world in your hands, as the sail beyond our time. Our children living for peace, a gift to our world. Like the horizon at peace, I am moving on. Welcome everyone to Amber. Cheers.
Thank you, Mr. Poet, for a very good, nice poem.
Thank you.
Welcome home. That was good. Welcome home. Welcome to Amba. Yeah, Akoze Cyane.
I'm not a singer. I would have done like a chorus.
I can sing for you. Never mind.